Guys, what's up? This is Drew from ThemeForest.net, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to install and set up WordPress locally on your computer. And this will allow you to test, debug, and develop your WordPress themes offline as you would online. This can be really convenient if you're traveling or for whatever reason you don't have internet access, and you can still get some work done with WordPress and your themes. Now obviously I'm on a Mac, so that's what we'll be installing this on today, but you could do this just as easily on a Windows or Linux machine. It's not really that much of a difference. But since we're on a Mac, that's what we'll use. And we'll go ahead and open up Firefox. And we'll go to mamp.info. And MAMP, or MAMP as I've been calling it, which I'm sure that's not the correct way to pronounce it, but it's okay. MAMP, or MAMP, is Mac, Apache, MySQL, and then PHP, Perl, Python, whatever your server-side programming language of choice happens to be. And all you'll do is just click download now. You'll download it, go ahead and install it, and just get it set up. And once you install it and get it set up, you should be looking at a screen that looks somewhat similar to this. Now, two things to quickly note is that you should be looking at Apache port 8888 and MySQL port 8889. And we'll just keep those two numbers in mind for now. Now we'll click the MySQL tab and we'll click Launch PHP This should probably look familiar to some of you if you've ever messed around with the MySQL database before. And we'll go ahead and we'll create a new database. We'll call it ThemeForest Test. Click Create, and you'll see Database ThemeForest Test has been created. We'll open up a new tab and we'll go to wordpress.org. We'll click Download. Download WordPress 2.7 and click OK. Alright. And now we'll unzip the file. Alright, now we'll open up the WordPress folder and we'll go ahead and navigate down to where it says wp-config-sample.php. We're going to open this with Coda, but whatever text editor you prefer is fine. Alright, now this should also look familiar to any of you who have ever installed a WordPress database, but if not, it's okay. First it says put your database name here. Well, what was ours? It was ThemeForest Test. The username is going to be root, and the password most likely is also going to be root. Now localhost, if we go back to MAMP, we'll remember that MySQL is on port 8889 and Apache is on port 8888. So for localhost, we're going to type in 888 colon 8889. We're going to save this as wp-config.php. We will drag it over back into our WordPress folder, and we will delete the old one since we don't need it anymore. Now the last step is just go to Applications or wherever you installed MAMP. Go to htdocs. I'm going to delete the old folder I had there. I'm going to move the new WordPress folder we just downloaded into the htdocs folder. Now if I go back to Firefox and open up another tab, and I go to localhost colon 8888 dash WordPress, slash WordPress slash wp-admin slash install.php. We hit enter, and there you see that WordPress is installed and running on your server. Put in a blog title. We'll do ThemeForest WordPress screencast. I'll just enter my email and click install WordPress. It'll give you that crazy random password that's absolutely impossible to remember, so go ahead and copy it, and username admin, click login. You can see that it's still working fine, and we'll log in. And there you have it. You can do any kind of editing that you would regularly do online. You can go to the appearance editor and change all the direct files, and all of the theme information and WordPress is installed locally on your local server, so you don't have to have any internet access to be able to do any of this, and you can get any theming that you need to get done. So we will pick up where we left off next time. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. Have a good one.